Hello everyone, welcome back to the FMCI YouTube channel where we upload videos on ensuring computer literacy. In this video, we will be learning how to install an app on a laptop. We will be using the app Zoom in order to demonstrate how to efficiently download an app to your device. In order to install an app on your phone or tablet, you must open your App Store, either the App Store for Apple or Google Play. Even though the process is the same, it will look slightly different on different devices. Once you open the App Store, use the magnifying glass to search what you are looking for. We are searching for Zoom in this example. In this specific case, it is the first result that appears. Click either Get or Install and get ready to enter your password for the App Store. Your app will then download automatically, and eventually you will be able to click open and it will open the application. The first step is to start at the website of the app you wish to download. In this case, we will be starting at zoom.us. It is important to mention that you do not need to create an account on Zoom if you only wish to join meetings. The second step is to scroll all the way to the bottom and click the download button. Then, download the Zoom client for meetings. Once you click download, a box will appear at the bottom of the screen that will look like this. Once you click this box, you will see a new window appear, prompting you to use the installer for the app. Click continue as you follow along these first 3 tabs. Then, you will be prompted to enter your password in order to allow the download onto your computer. Your screen will look like this after the application is successfully downloaded. After the application is downloaded, you can move the installer over to the trash. You may now open the application you downloaded. If you wish to learn more about how to join a Zoom meeting and how to become a successful Zoom participant, watch our series of videos on Zoom meetings. Thank you for watching.